Hello guys, Flash here of another video. Today we're going to discuss about the CATGIRL coin, the token on the Binance Smart Chain. With that being said, please leave a like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so getting on to their website, the CATGIRL coin, you can finally invest in CATGIRLs. It is an NFT focused community driven token. They actually do have a lottery pot, so you need 1 trillion CATGIRL tokens to enter automatically, and the last was about 10 trillion CATGIRL tokens. For every transaction, there's a 4% instant rewards. You receive an instant 4%, meaning you earn just by having CATGIRL in your virtual wallet. There's a 2% kitty lottery. The magic lottery will draw a prize of 2% of every transaction made until the pool is filled. The prize will randomly be sent to a lucky holder. There's again a 1% added to liquidity pool and 1% going toward marketing budgets. What makes CATGIRL stand out? 50% was sent to the black hole as it was burned. It was a fair launch, so 100% of the remaining supply is allocated to liquidity. There was no pre-sale. It has an anti-whale system. Buyers will not be able to purchase more than 1% of the total supply, and liquidity locked. It has been locked on Unicrypt. We can check it by clicking on Unicrypt. Scrolling a bit down on the token metrics, the total supply being 100 quadrillion, total burn 50 quadrillion, and in circulation 50 quadrillion, and reducing. They do have their own actual official CATGIRL coin song. I'll play it for you guys in a second.
CATGIRL, take it to the moon, take it to the moon, take it to the moon, yeah, moon, yeah, yeah. CATGIRL, pump it up, take it to the moon, take it to the moon, yeah. We love the cat of the fire. CATGIRL, take it to the moon, take it to the moon, take it to the moon, yeah, moon, yeah, yeah. CATGIRL, pump it.
Taking a look at the BSC scheme, we can see that they are currently sitting at 18,161 addresses. This number has been growing a lot in the past few days. I also advise you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 5,000 members, as well as following them on Twitter and Instagram. The chart is looking very bullish, as we can see that on the 3rd of June it has a pump, and since then the coin just skyrocketed. So if you guys want to swap BNB to CATGIRL, you need to put the slippage tolerance on 9%, click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just click on confirm. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and check CATGIRL coin. All the links will be down into the description. Flash out.